red here. VE3FAL. Ontario Northwest Bushcrafters and Outdoors. Thursday, May 18th, just before noon here in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT. Out for a quick bike ride. Current temperature is 13 degrees centigrade. We were a far cry from that this morning. We dropped down to 0 degrees centigrade very early before sunrise. We were at +3. And then temperatures dropped down to 0. So, you know what? There was frost warnings for much of Ontario actually last night, including Toronto. So, the jet stream and the weather is just all over the place, it seems. So, anyway, I just thought I'd get out here for a quick bike ride with you guys. There's a new development going in just up the road here. I believe there's supposed to be like 65 homes going in, or there's 65 lots or something like that. So I was going to bring the drone shoot some drone video, but I opted not to carry it with me, at least right now. So we're just gonna drive up the road here just a couple more 100 meters, and we'll go into the new development that is being proposed here. There are issues, however, with exits and entries onto Highway 61, because Highway 61 is already pretty much tapped. And lots of traffic. Highway 61 is the only, there's a hook there. Highway 61 is the only exit and entry into Minnesota from Thunder Bay. As you guys seen with the transport truck that pulled over quite a ways there, we have a fair bit of traffic here on the highway. So on the way back, I am going to go back and grab that hook that was on the side of the road there. So there's a notice here regarding the proposal for this land. So I'm going to bring you guys in here. As I said, I would have liked to have brought the drone down. So the houses that you see back there are just off of Mountain Road. So this land has been cleared for the better part. Oh, that soft sand. Let's come down here and get some firewood. And There are lots going in here. All right, just gonna give you guys a pan here around. So there's supposed to be, I believe, 65 lots going in here. As I said, it would be nice to come in with the drone and just take a look at this and see exactly how large this is. Once again though, I put my toque on because it was cool earlier, and now I probably got to take it off. I got it under my helmet. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what indeed does happen with this as far as the development, or even, you know, getting on and off of this area with the highway. There should be a creek down here too. Now I've heard different things, like they want to come off Mountain Road, they want to come out on the 15th side road. Oh, she's rough in here. So it's hard to say just exactly what is going to happen back here. Yeah. And definitely one day we'll bring the drone down here and look around. There's so much firewood in here for a fire pit. Yeah, we'll just ride along here and see what we got. We got the ravine down there. Nice if we could go all the way through here, back out to Mountain Road. If I do that, oh yeah, there's a trail back there too. So, oh, golf ball. Somebody's been driving some golf balls from their back lane, or their backyard, I guess, not back lane. All right, so you can see the creek down there. Okay, so the creek is down there. You can hear the water running. I'm gonna take my toque off. There's a duck. Oh. So I see a bit of a beaver dam down there. I, however, am not going to attempt to cross that. I have been caught by those many times before. So let's go back up here. I thought I seen another trail. And let's just see if we can't maybe get down there. There's that golf ball. Yeah, right over here maybe. See if we can't get into that field and back onto Mountain Road. I just don't know whose property I will be crossing over. If I can't, I won't. I'll just come back. That's all. But, oh, she's a bumpy in here. Yeah. Even that's a little bit wet. Let me get through it. No. Back tire sunk. So we'll get off. Walk it up the hill here. That's Mount Forest over there. I have walked through there with you guys many times in the past. Yeah, here's the school. Yeah, I'm not sure if I can get through here. Yeah, the creek's probably right down here too. Have to check myself for ticks when I get home, or at least later. Yeah, still pretty wet in here. I just don't know where this field will take me. Might be able to get through here without getting wet feet. Again, I just don't know where this is going to take me. And it brings me to a mountain road somewhere. Oh, there's posts in here too. So this must also be part of the development. Big hole there. Oh yeah, see the creek. It's over here. There's no way I can cross over the creek onto that property over there. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. Yeah, the creek is back there. Whew. Hey. All right, yeah. So, you guys have walked with me back here. That is all off of Mountain Road. Yeah, I hear the school. All right, well, we're gonna ride this way. See if we can get out over here. So it's a large development. And again, I think one of the sticking points is the traffic on and off Highway 61. And I know there are a bunch of meetings going on right now regarding access on and off the widening of Highway 61. They're talking about putting some roundabouts in a couple areas, and actually our intersection is one of those areas. So we'll have to see what happens here. But you guys can hear how dry the ground is, despite, you know, how much rain and snow we've had in the past here. Yeah, so bring us up to this roadway. Sorry again, guys, if it's so rough. A lot of clay in here. It's a clay and sand mix. All right. You can smell any growth though. You know, you can smell the grass, the leaves. Yeah, this is like a huge freaking development. It was either 65 or 69 lots here that are proposed. Yeah, I'll go back out to the highway, head back from there. taking me a little longer than most of my videos, but I think once I get out to 61 here, I'm gonna turn the camera off and just say, you know, catch you guys later. Lots of animal tracks through here, but I think people come walk their dogs through here. I guarantee you the deer run through here. No reason why they don't, because they do run through the area. The sign is over there, if we can look at it and read it. Uncle Gunther, my good friend, if you're watching, I'm on the Giant. I really like this bike. Soft sand. Alright guys, we're coming up to 61. And we're at noon now, 12:05. This is about a 15-minute video right now, or so. Depends what I edit out of it. And yeah, we'll just come out here to the highway. We're gonna go this way right now because we can. Cross over in a bit. Alright, so there's a sign there. I'll have to read again how many lots are actually going in. But, alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Thanks for putting up with the bouncy and rough video through the field there. Like I said, I wanted to get out there with the drone and take some shots in there with the drone. Thought about it this winter, you know, and I opted not to because of battery timing. In the winter time, how long the batteries last. So anyway, catch up with you guys later. Playing up there. And everybody stay safe. Have a great day. Have a great weekend coming up. This is Fred, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT. Stay safe. Watch out for one another. And remember, watch out for the other guy, because the other guy may not be watching out for you. 7-3, folks.